a nice lineup of cars, guys. Nice lineup of cars. Mustangs, Camaro, Hellcat, GTI. We even got a Focus. So we're gonna see how the little GTI does against all these big monsters. Yeah. We're headed to the so you know we don't talk about it. All right. Who wants a GTI smoke? Who wants a GTI smoke?
You probably got me right now.
No. Let's go. Come on. All right, I got one.
I'm lookout.
Yeah, you can do lookout because ain't nobody want to race your ass anyway. Oh, you want to go? We'll go. I just want to see what it does. I mean, if I lose, I lose. I don't give a shit.
Radios?
Danny, you want smoke?
If it didn't miss after that. We did a pull and it was
think
fun.
It's the cold?
That's what I told them. I think it is.
I think it's the cold.
I think it's pulling more boost and more timing because it's so fucking cold out.
Yeah, I think it's the cold. Maybe once it warms up a little bit, it'll stop.
Dude, it has not done that, not at all since we adjusted.
I think it might be just it's too cold. That's weird. Turbo cars love it.
Yeah. Oh, it loves it. It's blowing the fucking spark out of this motherfucker.
This fucking car.
I'm gonna close the gap. I'm just gonna fucking put the bitch on it. Just close it all the way. Here. 0.001.
That's a bad idea.
All right, first run. Well, Mustang GT. He's tuned by VMP. Let's try it. By a little bit.
Everybody happy because you guys got a lookout.
Yeah. We got the slowest car to be the lookout. Big turbo Mustang Eco Boost versus Mustang GT. Tune, header. I ain't even boost out, dude. That son of a bitch got some torque. Oh shit, I ain't even gonna mess with that car. Oh shit.
No, that's looking fast.
That thing moves out. Alright, I'm gonna get up there and run her. Alright, let's see if the GTI can go 0 for 3. Alright, GTI wifey. Yep, over 3. The Hellcat killer. Oh, you know what this means? You know what this means, right? Time for big turbo. Time for big turbo. Nah, it's running good shit. I mean, this thing, I don't know what the hell it does. Will, but it's probably in the 350 range. So, I mean, it did the best it could. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. get chips up here. Everybody's hit me with everything. Good job. Good job. So you feel good? Feel good? Feels good. Did you get Bobby too?
No, it was close though.
It was close?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I stayed at 6,000 or below.
Yeah.
As soon as I hit 6, I shifted because I didn't want to hit the rev limiter and fuck it up. So I was concentrating so hard.
It moves. It moves.
Yeah, it moved.
You just need to stop like at 130. You keep going to like 150.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. I had to, every time they ran, I had to pull back. I'm like, screw shit, I'm trying to record.
I was like 3 miles behind y'all because I was like, fuck that.
Those rockets are, maybe a couple of those might be new. They're not all.
That's a good run. That thing moves out, bro. That thing moves out. I was like, damn.
It wasn't the weather, man. The weather is really good for it.
Yeah.
And since the air intake is stay below 70, it's crazy.
Oh yeah.
Crazy
I was like, damn, that thing's moving. That's when I saw it, I said, no, I ain't even gonna try to race that. I said, no, I'm good. I'm good. I don't need to lose again.
Well, I got a broken windshield.
This one, I don't know.
You got a crack?
Yeah.
Oh, good. You've been wanting to get that one replaced. Now call the right people.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was getting chips like crazy too.
Yeah, when I was behind the Camaro, something's gonna throw. Look at, come here.
You got a chip?
Look at this.
Yep, you got a chip.
Look at.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at the paint.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, dude. Shit. I need to go look at my car.
Yeah,
Look at that rock. Took the paint off all the way to the next. And now I'm just like up in here. Fuck, man. What? Cracked my windshield and I took a big chunk of paint off.
Race car life, bro. Shut up. Stop one. Stop one.
Look at that. Bop, crack there.
Oh shit, it cracked. Oh, that's what happened to me the other day too.
Shit.
Well, you were wanting to get this replaced though.
Yeah, but not the fucking roof paint.
Oh.
All right, Kyle.
I was behind the Camaro and
Yeah, that car was bringing up a lot.
Yeah.
that's why I went all the way back.
Yeah.
I was like, you guys are kicking everything out there.
Yeah.
Like, see ya.
That's that drag radio life.
Fuck, man.
Yeah, and then we were running data logs and the boost spiked to 25.
Yeah,
25.
Did it miss anytime? No? I'm telling you, I think it might be the cold. It's weird.
I told him to load up
Oh,
the
the
other
cold
two.
is great.
I know, but this car, if it's too cold, it acts up. It's weird.
Marty, I told him to load
Because
up
every
the-
time he does logs, it's in the freaking when it's really cold outside.
I told him to load the first two. There's the one where it's higher. Who knows? He might blow. He might blow.
No, once I
Did you two run?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who
It's
won?
about the same as it was last time.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Well, he got retuned too.
Oh yeah, shit, you
Yeah.
got tuned too. Okay,
Yeah.
well shit.
So I told him, I said that tune made a difference because I wouldn't have beat you if I was stock tuned today.
So
I wouldn't even have kept up.
so
with
what
you.
happened is when we hit it, right? You kind of took off and I spun. And I went like this, and then I hit the next gear, and then did this shit a
And
little
then he
bit
was starting to
more.
catch you, you shifted
and then
and
I
went
started
over.
coming up on you like this, and then
you shifted, and then we were doing 148, and I looked down.
I was like, are they gonna stop?
They were flying up a hog. I'm like,
that's that Portuguese rage right there.
He's like, no, fuck this. I ain't gonna.
We're going.
and then
Just the front lips.
look at this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, look at my roof. They cracked my roof.
Damn.
Wow.
I need to paint it.
Yeah.
Look at this is a brand new line. Look at it.
Damn.
Yeah, because
Damn, you got like a ding.
Yeah, that's like a dent.
That's like a dent.
So
Jesus Christ.
I was behind
your
you
car.
and smooth rocks.
Yeah, your car's bringing up a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, you broke my windshield and put I put a dent in my roof. No.
God damn it, that's what y'all get for running behind me.
Hey, bathroom. Hey.
I'm good.
Hey. That just goes to show them Federals are good tires.
Yeah, it picks up.
I heard donk, and I was like, I'm done.
Yeah, I was noticing so much crap. That's what we do. Destroy windshields and paint. Damn, dude. It's a good excuse for a new hood.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
if you want carbon fiber, I'm gonna tell you right now, because the one I have is so heavy. I'm thinking about replacing it because it's
really heavy?
The one,
No, this one.
I have the cow. No, the stock ones are much lighter. All right, guys. So that was a lot of fun. everybody went to Mexico. I went 0 for 3. It is what it is. And maybe a time for a hybrid or big turbo on the GTI. But we'll see. I know a lot of GTIs are gonna say, "Oh no, you can beat those cars," but it's just stage 2, you know, E30 tune and no custom tune and downpipe. And this car's not heavily modified, and I've honestly never raced it like that before. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, and you guys take care of yourselves. We'll see y'all later.